Welcome everyone. I hope you must be stay safe and stay healthy. So no further delay, let's begin. Our today's topic is striking differences between a fluke and a flounder. With a vast variety of fish in the oceans, it is always a curiosity among fishermen regarding what they will catch next. Though the majority of fish are easy to recognize, fish from the distantly related flounder families may cause confusion. They are the fluke and flounder, both of which look similar at a glance. Animal Sick gives you a few pointers that will help you differentiate between a fluke fish and flounder. Did you know? Flatfish are born with an eye on each side of their head. However, as they grow, one eye travels or migrates towards the other's side of the head. Towards the other eye? Wow! Now that's something. The above metamorphosis had baffled Clarice's Darwin too. He called the transformation as a remarkable peculiarity. However, such a transformation is known as a unique feature of flatfish, as these types of fish lie low on their side at the bottom of the oceans. Such an eye position helps them target a prey. Both flukes and flounder shares this unequal ability, but with a slight difference. Both flukes and flounders are bottom-dwelling flatfish found in the Atlantic Ocean. They lie low on the ocean's undersurface and blend with their environment. Their camouflage helps them to take their prey by surprise and hunt it down. Their mild taste in a delicacy is a joy for chefs, as both fish are easy to cook and go along with several fish recipes. Both are easier to catch. Therefore, they are a delight to people who love fishing as an activity. These distantly related species look the same with their dark colors, which spots, and their eyes on one side. So, how do we differentiate between the two species? Here is a chart that will remark the differences between a fluke and flounder. Fluke versus flounder. Flounder fish, commonly known as summer flounder, left eye fish. Winter flounder, right eye fish. Scientific name: Paralycetes dentis. Habit: Western Atlantic Ocean. Western North Atlantic Ocean. Lifespan: average of 20 years. Average of 12 to 14 years. Eye position: on left side of the body, on the right side of the body. Length: 15 to 20 inches, 4 to 24 inches. Weight: 2 to 20 pounds, 1.5 to 5 pounds. Mouth and teeth structure: large mouth with exposed large teeth. Small mouth with no teeth. Diet: carnivorous, feed on shrimp, winter flounders, blue crabs, silver squids, squid, bluefish, etc. Feed on shrimp, sandworms, and other similar fishes. Fishing season: summer, May to September. Winter, April to May. Taste: mild and sometimes muddy. Mild, delicate, and sweet. Key Keeping these few points in mind, fishermen can easily differentiate between flukes and flounders. Fishers can easily guess their catch by checking on which side the eyes of first fish have migrated. To be more sure, checking the size of the fish's mouth helps. In the end, it all comes down to the fun experiences of fishing. The favorite dish made by using a fresh catch will be like a cherry on the top. Related post. Differences between the American and the Asian elephants. For starters, they are both huge and grey. But there are a few telling differences between the American and Asian elephant. Astounding differences between the